Hi guys, in today's video I want to show you how to change Gmail account phone number. Open your Gmail account. In the top right side, select Manage your Google account. In the left side, select Personal Info. In the Contact Info part, press your mobile phone. Here also press your phone number part. Now you see this edit icon, press edit icon. Write your password and press next button. Now again you saw this page. Press edit icon again. Now press update number button. Write your new number. And press next button. Now press Get Code button. Write verification code which sent to your phone number and press Verify button. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.